Hello there, fellow creators. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to the latest addition to our collection, the MYNT3D Professional Printing 3D Pen Bundle. This extraordinary bundle is tailored to fulfill all your 3D printing desires and requirements. With the MYNT3D Super 3D Printing Pen, you'll be able to produce precise, detailed, and intricate designs. The high-quality build surface ensures smooth and efficient printing, while the superbly designed pen is compatible with PLA polylactic acid filament. PLA, or polylactic acid, is a biodegradable, eco-friendly material that's perfect for creating various 3D objects. The versatility of the MYNT3D Super 3D Printing Pen makes it perfect for both beginners and seasoned 3D printing aficionados. It also comes with a wide range of color options for your designs to pop and stand out. The inclusion of PLA filament in the bundle allows for even more creative possibilities. Whether you're a first-timer or have been experimenting with 3D printing for years, the MYNT3D Professional Printing 3D Pen Bundle is the ideal tool to help inspire your next project. So, why wait any longer? Grab this fantastic bundle now and start generating that imaginative output. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fantastic product recommendations. Until next time, happy exploring!